Yeah, now next part of the song, I would play Sally Gordon all day if I could, but Lord, my wife won't take it very good. So I feel when I can, work when I shoot, and thank God I'm a country boy. Man has to work hard. Yes, indeed. He has to take care of his good family, look after his wife and kids. Yeah, that's what Sir John Denver is saying. He's been giving them a message, an unspoken message has been giving to the entire world. You have to work hard, and when you have time, you get time, you find time out of your tight schedule to play any musical instrument for that matter. He was playing, the person whom he has picturized on this particular theme of the song of this number. I don't know what to call him because his name is never mentioned. Yes, indeed. But perhaps, Sir John Denver was thinking that he himself was there on the prairies or somewhere on the wheat fields, and in his small hut kind of a thing where he had his sweet wife, he had his kids and all. His wife is so sharing and caring. She gives him food, she gives him everything. She makes breakfast and she makes those hot cakes on the griddle, and she gives it to him. He has it goes to the work. He works so hard, he slogs so hard on the fields, and returns back to home, to his fiddle. He plays his fiddle, as fiddle has been gifted by his lovely father to him before passing away, before taking his last breath. He held him very close to his heart by his hand and said, "This is my fiddle, boy, play with pride." Yes, don't fiddle with it. Play with pride. Yeah, fiddle. This has got sentimental value. Why? Perhaps his father had gifted to him, or he had spent all his life playing on this fiddle. That was his sentiment, or those were his sentiments attached to that particular instrument, musical instrument. So when he hands it over to the hero or the chief character of this number, picturized by Sir John Denver, he says, "Play this fiddle, play my fiddle with pride." Yes, don't fiddle with it. Yeah. Well, I got me fine Wi-Fi, got me fiddle. The sun's coming up, but cakes on the griddle. Life is nothing but a funny fiddle. Thank God, I'm a country boy. He's so happy that he's a country boy. Why? Because of the fragrance of the soil. When I get so much captivated with the fragrance of the country life. But for some time, I remember when I was a child, when I was very small, I used to go to countryside. But of course, I used to come back, it's ridden back, because I cannot leave. I'm so much addicted to cacophony of metropolitan culture. Thank you.